Tired of cramped airplane seats and endless airport queues? What if I told you the journey could be more luxurious than the destination?
Welcome aboard the world's most opulent trains, where five-star hotels meet scenic railways.
Imagine waking up to the stunning landscapes of the Swiss Alps from your private suite.
Or how about dining on gourmet cuisine while the Scottish Highlands roll by on the Royal Scotsman?
From the classing Senis Simplan Sound.
You'll find everything from marble bathrooms and butler service by a light-skinned Caucasian female butler. This isn't just travel, it's an experience you'll never forget. Ready to see which train takes the top spot? Follow for more incredible journeys.